Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on the accounts and sync. Here let's select add account, then select Google. Now let's tap right here and enter the account name. Then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Once you're done, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Now tap on accept. And let's go back. And as you can see, the account was added. And to remove it, simply tap on the Google right here. Here we have our account and details of it. Now let's tap on more. Select remove account. And then tap on remove account to confirm. Then tap OK. And if you have any security type lock on your phone, for example fingerprint or pattern or pin, just use it to confirm the removal, like this. As you can see, the account was removed. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.